I've got the truck camper all set up here. My view out the back. Got the patio out. And I am Casinodocking. So this is the Chukchansi Gold Casino and Resort. And it's close to Coursegold, California, which is up by Oakhurst, going up toward Yosemite. Really nice place. We've got RV parking. We've got a whole bunch of RVs back here. I was parked over there under that street lamp, that D9 street lamp. And then some of these other RVs pulled in and they were running their generators. But so I moved over here to this gravel area, which is cool because now I'm backed up to the, just to the ledge here. There's a Tiffin Allegro bus there and a little, I think it's a Wolf Pup travel trailer. Another Allegro. And some other RVs there. I think that's a Thor Class A. And then the old truck camper. 5-day limit at this place, which is really cool. RV parking. 5 days. Really neat. So they've got a couple restaurants in the casino, and whenever I stay at a casino, I like to go in, and I like to go to casino restaurants for breakfast anyway. So I'm gonna go in the morning. I might even go in tonight. They serve breakfast all day, so I might go in to their restaurant and order myself some breakfast, either for breakfast for dinner or tomorrow morning before my inspection. I do have to go back down into Fresno. I've got an inspection at the Camping World tomorrow, and doing a Winnebago Outlook, and on a Ford E350 chassis. And get that done tomorrow, and I don't know where I'm off to after that. I may have another inspection in Vacaville, so I might be heading north on Tuesday. So, but we'll figure that out when the time comes. Until then, I'm just kind of sitting here relaxing. Got my template on my inspection software all done for tomorrow's inspection. And I'm just going to kind of chill out here and enjoy the scenery, kind of relax. It's absolutely gorgeous up here today. Outside temperature is about 82 degrees and inside it's 73. So it's pretty nice. I got all the windows open, a little breeze, beautiful. I'll put the information for this casino in the description of this video. You can check it out. Really cool place. So thanks Chukchansi Gold Casino and Resort for providing this RV parking out here. It's so great. And yeah, you'll get my business at least at the restaurant. Probably not gonna gamble, but I will get myself some breakfast. That's it.